I've been here for 4 weeks, and I came here for some restoration. It's been quite wonderful. I actually hate to leave, just to be honest. I've learned a lot about myself and others, how to change the way we think about others. Learned a lot about, well, I just like to say I was able to grow better physically and spiritually and mentally. It's just been a total positive experience the whole time.
They said no, protein is not the foundation of the pyramid. Now it's carbohydrates.
I think that by changing the way we think, our thought patterns, developing good habits as far as the foods that we eat, and the Bible studies and lessons that we've had have all been very informing. Had some wonderful speakers here that have addressed the group, and it's just been a total learning experience. I would definitely recommend Red River to anyone, and I believe that anyone could benefit from a visit here. Like I said, there's so many ways to grow healthier physically and spiritually. It's just a tremendous experience that everyone could benefit from.